Hi everyone, Mandy from More Financial here. In this latest video, I'm going to walk you through how to calculate the loan-to-value, or LTV, a key concept when applying for a mortgage or a loan. Got your calculator ready? Let's get started. To give you a brief description, the LTV, or loan-to-value, is a ratio used by lenders to assess the risk of lending to you. It's the ratio between the loan amount and the appraised value of the asset you're borrowing against, often a property. Let's start with the formula. Trust me, it's straightforward. LTV equals loan amount divided by appraised value, multiplied by 100. This gives you a percentage that shows how much of the property's value is being financed by the loan. Now we know the formula. Let's use it in an example. If you're taking out a $150,000 loan on a home valued at $200,000, your LTV is $150,000 divided by $200,000 times 100, which equals 75%. This means you're financing 75% of the property's value. So what does that number mean for your loan? Lenders use the LTV ratio to assess risk. A higher LTV means more risk to the lender, as the loan amount is close to the property's value. This might result in higher interest rates or the requirement for mortgage insurance. A lower LTV generally means less risk, potentially leading to better loan terms. I hope you found this video helpful. Understanding LTV goes a long way in making informed decisions when borrowing. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more financial insights.